Hey everyone, so I'm at the dealership right now and I just want to show you this 18 Crosstrek and give you another look at the Method MR502 wheels. And these are, what tires are they? BF Goodrich, so these are probably the K02, same as Rick, I would assume it, but I don't know the tires. Let's see if I could find that real quick. It is 215, 75-15. So I don't recall what Rick got, but it might be the same. But this is a look on a white one, and this one is not lifted. So I just want to share that with you. It looks really nice. I definitely need to get these wheels and tires, but that is a look on a white one here at the dealership, and it has one of the roof rack. Just another close-up. I see they left the center caps the OEM color. They haven't colored those black, but yeah, I mean, just want to give you another look. Okay, and then I'm gonna go outside. They actually have another one. Here's another look, and that looks really clean. That looks really nice. Definitely we'll have to do this. Maybe I'll end up doing it at this dealership, but just give you a quick walk around. You can definitely see some ground clearance. And you can see how much ground clearance there is. Pretty substantial. And they have the roof rack on it again. Definitely increased ground clearance. For whatever reason, I can't say ground this morning. I also just want to quickly show, you can see that with the lift, it's not sticking out on the side here. So it's really clean. 215, 75, 15.